Hello, good morning class. Today we are discussing about the properties of multiplication and divisions of integers. So the first property is of closure property. So with the help of this closure property, how can you multiply and how can you divide the integers number? So first property is closure property. So we are discussing about the closure property. So according to closure property of multiplication of integers, if there have a two integers number a and b, and then when we multiply both integers a and b, then in this case the answer is also a integer, a value is also be a integers. And suppose that if a and b is not be necessary an integer, because integers are not closed under division. So when we will divide the any integers number, then in this case integers are not closed under division. So here some examples are given below. So first we will discuss about the examples on multiplication. So here this 3 and 7. So when we will multiply both numbers, so in this case the answer is 21. So this is 21 is a integer, and then after the second number is -4 and -9. So when we will multiply this sign minus and minus, so minus will be positive, and then 9 4 ja 36. So in this case this 36 also a integer, and there have some division value. So division value means 6 divided by 2. So if there have a real number, so in this case, and both number are divisible, means 6 is divisible by 2, so 2 3 ja 6. So this 6 will be divided by 3 times. So this 3 is a integer, but some numbers are not be divided to each other. Means suppose that if a number is this -7 and this divided by 3. So when we will divide by this -7 by 3, so this is a rational number, not a integer number. And then after -4 divided by -2, so first we will remove this sign, minus cancel out, and then after 2 2 ja 4. So this is a integer number, but this is a +5 and divided by -3. So this 5 is not be divisible by 3. So this is a number, it is a rational number, not a integer number. So we can say that in the multiplication the numbers is a integer, but the division case means some numbers are maybe a integer, but some numbers are not be a integer. Now the next property is commutative property. Means commutative property means if we will convert या फिर change the place, means a multiply b या फिर b multiply a. So in this multiplication means both numbers are integer, but in the division case if we will convert या फिर change the position, means a divided by b is not be equal to b divided by a, because division is not commutative for integers. So we are easily to understand some example. So here the first we will understand by the multiplication is based on commutative property. So here 4 multiply 3. So when we will multiply this two number, so answer is 12. And when we will change interchange the value, so here 3 multiply 4. So this is also a 12. And then after -3 multiply by 9. So this is a 9 3 27 -27. And then after we will change the value and interchange the value, and 9 will be right is the first, and then after we will write the 3 in the second time. So first we will multiply this minus, and this is a positive, so minus plus minus, and then after 3 9 ja 27. So in this case, multiplication case, always we will find out the integer number. But the division case, so here some example is 8 divided by 4. So this is answer is 2, and when we will change the place, so 4 divided by 8, so this is 1 by 2. So this is not a integer number, this is a rational number. So that's why we can say that means commutative property is only applicable for multiplication but not be applicable for a division. And then after we will discuss about the next property is associative property. So according to this property, associative property, for multiplication of integers, if a, b and c are 3 integers, then a multiply b, and this b multiply c is a bracket, and then after we will convert, if it change the order, suppose that a multiply b is a bracket and c is the outside. So when we will multiply in three integers value, then the both condition have answer is same. But in the associative property means division of integer is not be associative. So here some examples are given. So first one is 4 multiply and bracket 3 multiply 6. So answer is that, and suppose that if you want to make some pair like this, 4 multiply 3 and this 6 is outside. So in both condition the answer is only 4 3 is 12 and 12 6 is 72. So answer is only 72. So here first we will multiply this bracket, 3 6 is 6 3 is 18, and then after multiply this 18 4 is 72, and then after here first we will solve this bracket. So 4 multiply 3 12, and then after 12 6 is 72. So this is a value, it is a integer. But when we will solve this number as a division, then division case the number is not be a integer. So suppose that this is the number 16 divided by this minus 4. So this 2 value in a bracket and this 2 is outside. So first we will solve this bracket. So 4 4 is 16, then minus 4 and divide this minus 2. So minus minus cancel out, then after 2 2 is 4. So answer is 2. And then after when we will make another group, so this 16 is outside and the second pair is minus 4 and divided by 2 with the help of associative property. So in this case, so first we will solve this 16 and this bracket value. So remove this sign, minus minus cancel out, and 2 2 is 4. And when we will divide by this value, 16 divided by 2, so answer is 8. So both conditions have answer are different. So we can say that this associative property is not be applicable for integer, but multiplication have associative property is applicable. And then after the next property is distributive property. So according to this distributive property of multiplication over addition states that if a, b and c are three integers, so here this is an example for distributive property. So a multiply and this is a bracket, b multiply c. So first we will multiply this a to b, and then after this is a to b, and this is a sign plus. So plus sign will be separate to both value, and then after we will multiply this a to c. So there have two pair are generate. So first pair is a multiply b and the second pair is a multiply c. So this is called a distributive property. And suppose that there have some negative value like this, a multiply and the second and third variable, if its second and third integer are subtract to each other, means b multiply c. So first we will multiply this number a multiply b, and then after the second pair will be separated by this minus sign and this a multiply c. So this is a first pair is a multiply b and the second pair is a multiply c. Then after we will solve some example, and with the help of this example we can easily to understand the distributive property. So the first example is this minus 6 multiply and this is a minus 5 plus 4. So with the help of distributive property we can separate both values. So first we will solve this bracket. So minus 5 plus 4. So here this is a negative value and this is a positive value. So this is the answer is minus 1, and then after remove this bracket and solve the value. So minus and minus plus and 6 1 is 6. And then after here this is a distributive property, and solve the some another type of question like this minus 5 multiply 3 minus 4. So first we will solve this bracket 3 minus 4, so minus 1, and then after minus and minus, so plus and 5 1 is 5. So these are example of distributive property. And then the last property is identity element. So with the help of this identity element, if a is any integer, then a multiply 1 या फिर 1 multiply a is always be a. So 1 is the multiplicative identity for integers, or we can say that 1 is the identity element for multiplication of integers. And here some examples are. So the first example is if 8 multiply by 1, so this is a, या फिर 1 multiply 8 is always be 8. So this is an example of identity element. So this is a basic information for some properties of integers. So thanks for watching this video.